gamers are stuck in a world where they think 60 or even 144 frames per second is the absolute ceiling of human perception. But once you sit in front of a panel that pushes all the way to 300 Hz, that entire theory falls apart immediately. This specific LG monitor is a speed demon designed for one very specific type of person. It is the player who wakes up and wants to click heads in tactical shooters without a single millisecond of lag holding them back. You can feel it the second you move your mouse across the desktop. There is no drag. There is no heavy feeling. It is like the cursor is an extension of your own nervous system. At 27 inches, it hits that sweet spot for resolution. You get 1440p clarity without it being so big that you have to physically turn your neck just to see your health bar or the minimap. The choice of an IPS panel here is a big deal for your eyes. Usually these super fast screens look like garbage because they use old school tech to get those high speeds. Those older displays look washed out and gray, like you are looking through a dusty window. This one actually looks vibrant and sharp. It is not going to beat a high-end cinema screen or a fancy professional organic light-emitting diode display, but it looks clean and solid. You get actual colors instead of a muddy mess. However, it is not all sunshine and perfect pixels. If you like playing in a pitch-black room at night, you are going to see some glow. Those corners will have a bit of a hazy light bleeding through during dark scenes. That is just the trade-off for this kind of panel technology. Also, do not buy this for the high dynamic range features. It says it supports it, but it is really just a checkbox on the marketing materials. It does not get bright enough to actually make your eyes pop with detail in the shadows or highlights. It is a utility tool for the competitive player rather than a movie enthusiast. If you are playing a slow cinematic game about exploring a beautiful forest, 300 Hz is total overkill. You would be better off spending your money on a display that focuses on deeper blacks or even higher resolution. But if you play games where every single frame is a life or death situation, this is a massive upgrade. Your computer needs to be an absolute beast to actually take advantage of this speed. LG focused entirely on consistency and reliability here. There are no weird visual glitches. There is no ghosting where objects leave a trailing shadow behind them as they move across the screen. It is just sharp, clear, and incredibly fluid. It feels like the hardware is finally catching up to how fast our brains want to react to movement. You just have to decide if you care more about the competitive edge or the pretty scenery. For the person chasing the top of the leaderboard, the choice is pretty obvious. This is about removing the barriers between your hand and the screen. It is about that split-second advantage that makes a game feel responsive, rather than frustrating. You see the enemy a fraction of a second sooner than they see you. You track a moving target with much more precision because the image does not blur when you spin around. That is where the real value lives for a serious player. It is a specialized tool for a specialized job.